In this video, we are going to create the job card. To create the job card, you can click on this link above. You can also access it from the advisor here on the sidebar by clicking on job cards. Now I'm going to click on that short link, job card. I'm inside the job card screen right now. Now what I can do is I can give the mobile number of the customer. Notice that you have numbers displayed here. These are the numbers which are saved in the system. Should you type in a new number, it will not give you a display. So you can enter the new customer name. Give the email if he has one. Give the plate number. Provide the Emirates. The approval will be set to yes if you're doing a job card. Enter the VIN number. Give the vehicle brand. Select the vehicle model. Provide the kilometers in. Give the vehicle year. Leave this vehicle type and select. The job category will be regular for regular customers. Then you can give the due date out, which is the promised date to the customer when the car will be delivered. Give the next reminder date for the service for this customer. Select the vehicle color. Give the job description as oil change. Give the part number or give the spare part name. If you give the spare part name, part number will be automatically set as per the spare part name entered. For example, I give Bentley oil filter. Hit tab. As you can see, Bentley oil filters come as the part number over here. Now we have the quantity. You can mention the cost price. If you do not mention the markup, it will automatically set to 10% more. So the selling price will be more than the cost price. But if you do need to change the selling price, you can change it 100. Then we'll set the markup to 0. You can mention the department there. I can go to the labor section and enter the labor charge. Notice you have drop down over here. If it's already saved, it will come here below displayed. Should you type anything which is not saved, it is a new entry. Right now we're going to give the labor charge, and what saved before will populate over here. We can set the department. This one is mechanical, and then we can set the supervisor. If you have a supervisor created in the user master, you can set the technician here if you have a technician created in the user master, and then you can save the job card. Once you save the job card, it skips to the next number. You can go back to that number, take the print if you want. That's how you create the job card in the system. Thank you.